Now we are coming into taxation. So what is the taxing procedure and what is the tax policies we have in the country, we are going to see. So taxation can be direct tax and indirect tax. And direct tax is when we income tax. Income tax is what we pay after every financial year. We submit how much income we got and what is the amount of tax I am going to pay. That is going to come under direct tax. And wealth tax, you pay to your corporations, you pay the wealth tax to the corporations as a part of getting the facilities, and finally profits and gain from business. So these things come under direct tax. Indirect tax, you have the excise duty and sales tax. Excise duty is for the if you are either importing raw material, exporting your products, this excise duty you will be paying. And sales tax, now we have GST, goods and services tax, goods and services tax, right? So that is going to be under your sales tax. Okay, so it is going to be coming under direct and indirect tax. Direct tax, we are going to have income tax, wealth tax, and profit from business. In indirect tax, we are going to have excise duty and sales tax.